Everybody, it's the Bastard back again. Finally starting to get back to and record some more episodes for my side podcast, The Bastard B, Lois and Clark. The Bastard versus Lois and Clark. This is season 2. This is episode 2, I believe. It's rough going in the studios today, folks. Half-assed and just to keep up appearances. Season 2, episode 2. This is called The Wall of Sound, as we watch Lois and Clark, The New Adventures of Superman. The New Adventures of Old Christine. Anyways, sync point, press play. As soon as it starts to load, press pause. I'll say 3, 2, 1, and pause. And we're going to watch this thing, okay? My computer starts out. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my Blu-ray player to play Blu-ray on my fucking computer. It'll play DVD just fine. Blu-ray, I don't know. It's fucked up. So if shit explodes, I'm sorry. Anyways, let's fucking do this shit. So when you're there, it just starts to load and you're paused up. Let's do this, okay? So if you're ready, 3, 2, 1, unpause. I haven't been back to this in a while. I recorded the first one months ago, and it's just kind of... recorded the first one and I just got sidetracked with stuff. I should probably look. It's probably been about a year in between the 2 episodes, but anyways, here we are. Like I said with the last one, once you start seeing these episodes come out, I'll basically have the whole season recorded, or just about recorded, so I can come out every week throughout a couple months, whatever that'll be. 20 episodes, 22 episodes for the season, so that'll be 4 or 5 months straight of these. So even if it takes me 3 years between each episode, when season 2 comes out, you'll know, because they'll all be done and coming out each week. I'm actually diverting from a different series I was getting to because I'm having issues with my Blu-ray here. So let's do it. Clark, he's getting ready to get a fucking beach at a wedding or something, and I forget, season 1 ended with some bad shit, and I think didn't somebody else take over the fucking Daily Planet? Are they filming a movie? That'd be hilarious. Damn it. Clark, why is my pants off, Clark? What are you doing here? Somebody. That's kind of creepy. What the fuck was that about? Hey, man, he's in better shape than I ever was. He's jumping fucking police goddamn barricades. He really is fucking Superman. And goddamn Dean Cain. Well, why do we forsake you, Dean Cain? Did you turn into a dick? I don't know. He just kind of disappeared, and I don't know if he turned into a crazy kooky fucker, or if he's just living his life, and I don't know. God knows there's enough of these fuckers. Their career goes to shit, so they blame everybody but themselves. No one wants to work with me because I'm Republican. No, you're an asshole, James Woods. That's why nobody wants to work with you. Hey, John Voight, you want to know why no one wants to work with you? You're an asshole. You want to know why your kids don't like you? You're an asshole. They don't give a fuck who you vote for. You're an asshole. Just don't be an asshole, okay? Then you could probably be friends with everybody and have a good career. That's how it works. That's how it works. If you're fucking a semi-asshole, people put up with you. You're a fucking full-blown asshole, no one wants to deal with you. That's just how it goes. Life lesson. The more you know. Jimmy. Did they... Did they recast Jimmy Olsen here? I don't like the guy who played Jimmy or whatever in the first season, but I thought he was a little too old. Because Jimmy's supposed to come across a little bit younger. I'll tell you where he got it. He got a Wilson's Leather, motherfucker. Yeah, biker jacket, bro. Yanni, shots fucking fired. Clark Kent, what the fuck? I love him. What's his name? I love him. Secretariat. And he has no he almost threw up. He was gonna punch him in the face and not even know who the fuck Secretariat is. Oh god. She's like, I don't feel good, Clark. A thought-altering sound. Shoot. Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not is my date. It sounds good to me. Ooh, goddamn. They they lost my story. They lost my story. I'm just driving around, blasting the fucking tunes. Superman, this sounds for you. What a dick. You alright, bro? That guy sounds familiar, so hopefully they show his face. yeah, you sure will, okay? Son of a bitch, motherfucker. Please. It is pure rock and roll. It just fucking make me money, bro. No way, Jose. Little does she know she's going to be getting balls deep by him in, what, end of this season? Next season? Is that what it was? He's just taking fucking photos over there. There's your 90s fucking minivan right there. Holy shit. Collating data. She's like, well, good thing for me, I'm a trashy brunette. Well, you knew they were going to work together because each had something the other one needed. So now Lois and Clark are going to be working together. Thanks. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, she looks like she's going to kick some ass. Oh, Jesus Christ. He's going to get a fucking three-way. He's going to get fucking heads and tails, if you know what I'm saying. This fucking music is like Rob Zombie sounding. Like you need to pay rent for a week. You know? So he's like, yeah, okay. I believe this came out when fucking White Zombie was still cooking. The hell are you doing here? The hell is going on here? That's what I thought it was. That's the guy I was thinking. The voice sounded like wasn't he the bad guy from MacGyver?
No, these lyrics are fucking great. Yeah, he likes sound. We got it. It's like some fucking generic NXS sounding shit. He's like, no, I like this girl. She's dirty. He's like, let this bitch dance right here. This is getting ridiculous. Hi, bro. So yeah, I just got myself a motorcycle over here, and it's a starter. It ain't bad, but I need a jacket. Wow. Yeah, his fucking finger inside her, I think. What the hell's going on in this club? Oh, Jesus Christ. She's like, oh yeah, I'll worry about it, shit. Linda, yeah, I gotta go, but hang around, take your pants off. Don't forget me. What is going on here? T. Oh man, oh, this party was just getting good. Oh man. Let's go sweet face. let's go sweet face. There goes Superman saving the day. He's got in earplugs. He just got lucky, bro. He said like he's a dog. Run, Jimmy, run! Oh, Jesus. He wasn't even that high in the sky. He fucking just took out the roof of that guy's car. That fucker probably still owed like 2 years left on it, you know? Dude working minimum wage job, just trying to fight for his life in Metropolis, you know? And I'm a poor slob. Believe me, I don't intend to. Oh, shit. Nice tattoo, Lois. I'm what? What? Some semblance of a life. Oh, it's fucking beautiful. Oh, good. Oui. Oui. It's a small button. So. Well, I don't know if you're his friends, but you're not trying to hurt him, right? Doesn't mean you're friends.
You get you killed, motherfucker.
Smaller than the
average milk cow. What was that shit? This is ridiculous. Your roots are a little dark. The wall of sound. No, that was wasn't that Phil Spector with his wall of sound? Just gonna throw that out there. I don't know if he came up with that, but okay. Lantern shot concern. Yeah. Yeah, bro. He's fucking Superman, bro. You'll see I'm so much more fun. I don't know about that. Something boring. Guy's just hanging out there, fucking being a weirdo. Now that was kind of cheese dog flying effect through the city, but he's like, what the fuck? He just throws it. That girl looks like she couldn't be bothered to give a shit any less. She's like, oh, okay, that's better. Simple. I got a big dick. You don't. I hate flying.
Oh, jeez, you still talking about fucking Elvis here. God damn it, boy. You was such a fucking rough goddamn corn husk when you came into town, but I'm glad I gave you a fucking shot. Now you're some fucking microwave popcorn. Goddamn, you're good. Ooh, motherfucker. And so she said. Jesus Christ. Oh, she's got him on his shelf right front and center. Got him hidden behind books. She's like, oh, soups. Oh, soupy. Superman, come on in, yeah. I like the lighting. Shiny. Oh, Jesus. Fucking, he's gonna get his fucking knob fucking polished, if you know what I'm talking about here. Say no more, say no more. She's like, don't leave, I got my fancy dress on. Speaking of Superman, she probably knew that guy, because wasn't Terry Hatcher on Superman for a while? Or not Superman, MacGyver? I think she was on MacGyver for a while. I have to go back and watch. It's been a while. Anyways, thanks, folks. Hopefully I get my technical difficulties sorted out and get back to my other project that I had going on before this one. But anyways, adios.